Welcome to Quiz Family Channel. Let's play Guess the Animal by its silhouette. Alright, let's get it on. The first animal, let's go. Lion. Can you guess this animal? Tiger. This is easy. Elephant. Can you guess this one? Giraffe. Can you guess this animal? Zebra. How about this one? Wolf. Can you guess this animal? Rhinoceros. Try this one. Bear. How about this? Gorilla. What is this animal? Cheetah. This is easy. Kangaroo. How about this one? Hippopotamus. Try this one. Fox. What is this animal? Deer. Can you guess this one? Bison. How about this? Leopard. How about this one? Panda. Try this one. Camel. Next one. Coyote. Can you guess this one? Horse. This is easy. Eagle. Can you guess this animal? Hawk. How about this? Falcon. What is this animal? Owl. Can you guess this one? Parrot. How about this? Hummingbird. How about this one? Pigeon. Try this one. Albatross. Next one. Seagull. Can you guess this one? Crow. Can you guess this one? Sparrow. Next one. Swan. Can you guess this animal? Vulture. How about this one? Pelican. This is easy. Flamingo. How about this? Toucan. This is easy. Bat. Can you guess this one? Stork. Try this one. Woodpecker. Can you guess this one? Ostrich. Can you guess this one? Dolphin. Can you guess this animal? Shark. How about this? Whale. What is this animal? Octopus. How about this? Seal. This is easy. Penguin. Try this one. Turtle. How about this one? Jellyfish. Next one. Crab. Last animal. Clownfish. For more videos, visit our channel and we will catch you on the next one.